Hop into the 2024 Kia Telluride. Here's a capable and stylish Kia Telluride that's spacious, comfortable, and loaded with standard features. This tech-rich midsize three-row SUV leverages driver assistance, powerful performance, and premium amenities to make your in-town and off-road adventures all they can be. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, keyless entry, navigation system, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, adaptive cruise control, keyless start. Give your family the advantages they deserve when you bring home this handsome Telluride. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.